Please allow us to introduce the company's live streaming and virtual conferencing service. Broadcasting professional events, conferences, lectures, press conferences, interviews from a live location, perhaps via online only or even in combination. No problem. Our company's broadcast management system and streaming service offers a uniquely customizable solution. What are the main benefits of the video conferencing and streaming service we offer? The remote presenters, moderators, are joining via point-to-point connection with low latency and robust transmission solutions. Remote participants can join through a web browser. The device can be a smartphone, tablet, laptop, or a desktop PC. If the device is equipped with the proper camera, the established video connection could be broadcast quality. The audio-video transmission is bi-directional. The broadcast feed can be followed by the remote participants. They also have the ability to communicate with each other directly. The moderator or editor of the broadcast can instruct the participants outside the broadcast if necessary. Multilingual broadcasting is possible with the help of interpreters joining remotely. Full control over the broadcast. With the help of manual video feed editing and audio mixing, the volume differences between the speakers, feedback, and echo problems can be avoided. Optional image subdivisions and graphic solutions. Presenters and presentations can be shown in any way you prefer. PowerPoint and Keynote presentations can be controlled by our web remote solution. Applying virtual studio capabilities. The host and the guests can be placed into a fully customizable graphical environment, allowing a complex live broadcast with multiple camera angles. Like a TV show, you have the ability to use videos, animations, logos, name inserts. Our streaming service is platform independent and can be distributed across multiple platforms at the same time. It is also possible to broadcast private, password-protected, or subscription-based streams. In case you're interested, please do not hesitate to contact us for more information or request a demo presentation.